I've just put the laser light on just because I love it. Yeah? Okay, let's move forward with the video. We're going to tell you what that's about. See you in a minute. Bye. These are our fittings, right? It's a sealed packet. So that's your bit for your sink. That's all the pipe to plumb it in. That goes at the bottom of the sink. What's this bit? That looks kind of funny because it's got a flat edge on it. I'm not sure what that's all about. But most of it, that black bit there, I'm not sure neither. But basically, this is our sink, alright? Fairly heavy. Let me just take that out for a minute. Sink's a sink, you've seen it. On the bottom of it, it's got some fittings to fit it in and an instruction manual, colored screws. Alright, we won't be opening that for now. Oh, sorry about the finger in the way for a minute then. It's just fitting. Paper, polystyrene. That's it. I'm not sure if there's any bits missing, if I'm honest, because there should be some kind of a support for the sink that I'm not sure about. Yeah. To open this now, is it worth it? Nah, it's not worth it. Basically, it ain't gonna be no more difficult than other sinks that you've seen me install. Alright, so I'm gonna put that back in there, just like that. Your sink main outlet goes in there. That's your overflow, should you overfill the sink. That goes in there. And these are your fittings. Inside there, you have multiple choices depending on what sink you got at home already, what the connections are, and so on and so forth, in order for you to adapt and fit and make it work. So for them, that's what I'm assuming you get in your packaging. I'm not 100%, but that'll do. Can't need more than that. So from Trace People's Tips, till next time, if you're out there robbing people, stop doing it. Alright? See you later.